Welcome. If you're tired of seeing automatic translation prompts on your Facebook cover photo and want a cleaner, distraction-free profile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each easy step to disable the translate feature for your Facebook cover photo using the latest version of Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once Facebook loads up, look towards the very top of the page and click on your profile photo. This takes you directly to your personal profile, where you can view your timeline, posts, and of course, your current cover photo. Now, hover your mouse over your cover photo at the top of your profile page. Click right on the cover image. This will open your cover photo in a larger format, making it easier to see additional options specifically for that photo. Beneath the cover photo, look for a line of small icons and options. Here, you'll find the 3 dots. These often represent more settings or actions you can take. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Turn Off Translation. Select this option. By doing this, you are telling Facebook not to automatically offer translation for your cover photo caption or description, keeping your content exactly as you wrote it and showing it in its original language to everyone who visits your profile. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled translation on your Facebook cover photo. Moving forward, Facebook won't bother you or your visitors with translation suggestions on that image. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, you can always return to your cover photo. Tap those 3 dots and adjust your settings as needed. Thanks for following along.